going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're starting this video in the old Dirty Max over here. And yes, I'm driving her, but today we're gonna go head to the Napa store, see what's going on over there. And also, somebody took the orange little chingies, what are they called? The orange, you know, things you put on the tire, things I've been testing, the things I told you guys that suck and that are horrible and don't work. I'm actually meeting up with somebody here at the Napa store. He actually wants them. So I'm curious to see why he wants them and what he wants to use them for when, I mean, clearly they don't work. So, and I'm not charging for them, I'm just giving it to him. So we're gonna see him here shortly and see why he wants these things so bad. We got a little rammer over there. Little rammer. It's a little small, but it looks good. All right, we are here at old Napa Girl. We're gonna go check on our old buddy Ralphie, because you know we can't go a day without checking on Ralphie over here. I hope he's here. Oh yeah, there's his truck. Oh no, that's not his truck. There it is. Ralphie's got the old Nissan right there, old girl. So we gotta go check on Ralphie and make sure everything is good. Who's laughing over there?
Hey, Chucky Lugger!
What's going on, Ralphie? How you doing? We got some radiators over here.
Well, that's the customer's old one.
Oh, is this a core?
No, it's not a core. It's just he didn't have room in his car to take both, so.
Oh, so he gave you the old one, we gave him a new one.
Yep.
Okay, sounds like a good, fair enough deal.
Yep.
Did that guy come back for the little chinguses that I have?
No, he hasn't been back.
Okay, I'm gonna drop them off, and then I'm curious to ask him why he wants them, because they suck and don't work.
Well, that's yeah, that's kind of what because you said the yellow ones or whatever.
The orange ones, yeah, the orange ones don't work.
You told me they were junk.
Yeah, so curious to know why this guy wants them. So well, let's go get them. We'll bring him in here, and we'll wait for him and see why he wants them. All right, there they are, guys. You remember these things? Yes, the horrible bootleg Maxtrax, I think, or Maxtrax version of these. I don't even know what brand these are again, but I do know that they do not work. But you know, we're gonna find out. Maybe he's using them as an experience or something. Are you here by yourself, Ralphie?
No, Barrett's here.
Where's he at? Hey, what's going on? How you doing, buddy?
Doing well.
That's good. That's good.
What you got going on?
You know, just the usual vlog for the day.
Whiskey, bourbon.
Yeah, whiskey, bourbon. That's it. You know, nothing new. Just hanging out with Ralphie.
Coming here for a vlog?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Here, man.
No, dude, it's fun in here, Ralphie. Tell everybody wants to see Ralph.
That's true. Ralph's a star.
That's it. Everybody's just, we want Ralph. I'm like, okay, all right. So I got no choice.
I can't blame him.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You know, good looking Ralph over here. Whew. All right, guys. So we got Alex here. This is the guy that is interested in these. I don't even know what they're called. Trex, whatever they are. Yeah. Now, you know these things, like, I don't know if you watched my video. They don't work too well. So I'm curious to know why you want them.
I want them because I have a project actually in Roswell, New Mexico.
Okay.
My grandfather, he has a old Ford Explorer.
Okay.
4x4, and so I'm just looking to thrash it and you know, let's see when how these work. You know, what situation can it take me out of?
Okay. So, I mean, yeah. They're all yours, man. You can have them.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem, man. They're all yours. Enjoy. I hope they work for you, because for me, they didn't work good for me. So that's why I'm getting rid of them. But yeah, I hope they work for you. Yeah, you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, send me an Instagram, like a video. I'm curious to see.
Okay, for sure.
So I can check it out. Yeah, I wanna know, because for me, I couldn't get them to work, man. They were working horrible. So enjoy. They're all yours. All right, guys. Well, he has taken the. I don't even know what to call them, but he's taken them. Hopefully, it worked for him. Now it's time to go get a little. Whoa, it's a big bump there. Time to go get a little clean up, little haircut, and head to the barber shop and see you know, what they're up to. Usually the barber shop is up to no good, but we're gonna go find out. So my barber finally decides to stroll in right now. What's gonna say what's up to the vlog, man? You're not working. Hold on, they want to know some things, man. First of all, oh, see, that's why we come in the back room of the barber shop right here for stuff like this. What are you eating there, man?
California burrito.
All right, everybody wants to know, are you starting your channel? Are you gonna start the barber channel?
I should, huh?
Anytime soon? People want to know.
You want some?
No, I'm good. I'm full. I need you to cut my damn hair.
I'll do that after this lunch break.
You don't need a lunch break.
You want
Let's
anything
just.
to drink?
No. I need you to clean me up. So, guys, if let me get some light in here so we can see. If you guys know anybody that is a barber and is looking for, can you tell your brother to shut up? He's vlogging over here.
He's making a YouTube.
Shut up, man! I'm vlogging over here. What do you want? What's your problem?
How you doing? My man here said he was watching your YouTube videos. That's how he did his exhaust. He had a big truck and he did the exhaust system because he's watching your videos.
There you go. There you go. That's good. That's what I like to hear.
Crazy.
So if you guys know any barbers here where we live in the Alpine area, this place is starving for barbers because it's only him and his brother over there. That's the guy over there that talks a lot right there. It's only them two. So they need more barbers around here because, well, clearly the place is so busy and you have to sit and you wait for like an hour and it sucks. And these people will wait, but they got to push these customers out, you know, a lot quicker than sitting here for an hour. You know, you can't have these people sitting here for that long. So if you guys are interested or you know anybody or you're a barber and maybe you want to leave your old shop and come to this shop here in Alpine.
Make some serious money.
Yeah, and it's called, what is this place called?
Robert's Haircuts.
Robert's Haircuts. I don't even know what it's called anymore. But it's called Robert's Haircuts. I will put his, if you guys want, I'll put his Instagram down in the description and you'll see it pop up right here. Bam, there it is. And you can DM him or you can give him a call. You can, you know, come by, stop by if you're in the Alpine area. But he needs some experienced barbers. So guys, send help, please. SOS. He needs it badly. So now I'm going to let him eat so we can finish cutting my hair. Alright guys, so after hours of waiting, it's finally gonna cut my hair over here.
It wasn't that long.
What do you guys think? One thing about this guy, this is why they need help. Because you'll sit here for an hour. Look at him. Look at him over there. It's taking forever. They take all day.
I'm slow.
He moves like a snail. Alright, what you guys think? Think it's good lined up? If it's not, that's the guy to blame right there. If there's a problem, there you go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. See that, guys? He pays me. He pays me to cut my hair. Let's go. There you go. Keep paying. What? You short. You short, bro.
That's
keep
enough,
going.
bro.
Keep going, bro. You
That's
short.
enough.
You what? What am I
Give me
gonna do with
100.
this?
That's enough.
I didn't give you nothing. This is what you're paying me. You pay me
Cut your
70
hair,
bucks.
Huh? Here.
Gosh.
Here.
There you go. All right. Perfect. We good now. Thank you. That's how you do it, guys. So if you got to pay your barber, you're doing it the wrong way. You got to do it this way. He cuts my hair and then he pays me. There you go. All right, guys. Well, now that my haircut's all done, day's pretty much done here. We're going to get on the old 50 here and go get the mail. Then we're going to clean up the Can-Am. We got to switch her back with the knobby tires. I know it's very, very sad when you got to pull the paddles off and put the knobbies back on. Well, because number one, that means the desert season is over. And number two, these things look so ugly with knobbies. I don't know. I just, to me, they just look better with like the paddle, like the sand setup, the desert setup. So I gotta just, it's gonna be a sad day, guys. Sad day. Gotta put the regular tires on there. I also think something's wrong with this thing. Something's going on with the carburetor because when I give the gas like this, look at that. Something sounds like something's sticking. Look at that. It doesn't. The idle doesn't drop. Yeah, it's not normal. And then sometimes it'll fluctuate. If you let it sit here for a while and let it idle, the thing will start raising and climbing, and you hear it. It sounds like it's surging right now. Listen. I don't know. Something don't sound right. So looks like project for tonight. We're gonna pull this carb apart and see if we got some gunk or crap in here, and then hopefully my other ones are ready. Maybe we'll get a race going for you guys because I really want to race these things, and I want to call out D-Max Reno so I can smoke them on the 50s. But he doesn't have one, so I got to get you know, one of mine ready for him so we can figure out where to race these things, because I don't know. I remember there used to be like an El Cajon track. El Cajon track is gone. I think the only spot that's local for us here in San Diego is Verona. I don't even know if Verona, though, races these 50s anymore, but I don't know. We're going to see. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.